How to enable portable hotspot on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Cellular as shown. From here, you can manage your cellular data settings, data usage, and carrier options. Inside the cellular menu, enable the cellular data options at the very top. Then, tap on Personal Hotspot as shown. Personal Hotspot allows you to share your cellular internet connection with other nearby devices. On the Personal Hotspot page, enable Allow others to join and tap on Wi-Fi password as shown. A new screen will appear where you can enter your new password. Type in your desired password. Once you are done, tap on Done at the top right corner to save the changes. The password for your Personal Hotspot has now been successfully updated. Following these steps, you can easily enable the portable hotspot on an iPhone.